Hey guys, today's the day on how to get rid of ice dams on your roof when you have a problem and without wrecking your shingles. And the way I found works really good is right here. Look at this, hot water. I got Curtis helping me out.
And burning my hands because it's dripping.
And basically, okay, yeah, just burn that one corner off the top there. And then we're gonna do another one on the other side of the door. And that'll get rid of the ice dams, guys, because the water will have some place to go again. So basically, that's how we get rid of ice dams here in Canada. And we just use hot water. None of this salt, none of these heat things. Normally, if you use your roof rake and take the snow off your roof, you don't have to do this.
Snow on the street. Did you see the big truck go by?
Yeah. But anyways, you guys can see we got a little bit of snow here. So I scraped the roof like 3 times, but I was a little bit too late in the season. I should have started a lot earlier. And the trouble is why I didn't start a lot earlier, because it's 40 or 50 below. Don't waste the water on that, Curtis.
Well, you need to get rid of the ice.
Well, no, do it over here first. Make sure the dams are done first.
You do realize the water, you don't waste that, the hot water tank will fill back up again.
Well, it will. I know it will, but it takes time for it to heat, right? Well, the gas hot water tanks, probably not, but... Anyways, if we do a dam on either side of the door like that, then it'll have a place for the water to run until the ice melts. So that's the idea. Just you don't have to take all the ice off. Just put grooves like this into it.
You know what I was thinking? We should have did that one over there, so it lands here and not right here. So you got to melt this for the water to drip down and not come onto the deck.
Well, we worry about that after. Let's get this done first. And anyway, so that's basically what we're doing, guys, right now. As you can see, I can't even get out my front gate right now. And the back gate is downhill. So, yeah, we got quite a bit of snow. But this is the end of the ice on the roof here. So now that these dams are in there, I shouldn't have problems with any kind of leakage. I just want to make sure of that. So that's why we're doing it. But that, and plus you guys all know I put it. Yeah, you guys all know I put a new roof on it this year, so I don't want to ruin my shingles. And I was trying to think of a way to do these ice dams without bashing it off or putting salt on it. Or there's all kinds of ways people said we could do it. And then I thought hot water. What an easy way to do it, just with hot water. So I just ran a garden hose to the bathroom sink and out the door, and away we go. And the hot water is doing a wonderful job. It takes a little bit of time like that.
Well, that took about 15 minutes.
No, about 10. That took about 10 minutes to put the...
Look here already.
Yeah, look at there already, how fast it's going. Like he just started on this. So there you go. Okay, so we've been at this for about an hour altogether. We had to wait for the hot water tank, so now we're doing a second shot on it now. And he's been at it already for about 10 minutes, so we'll probably run out of hot water shortly. But we're just gonna do a bit more. We weren't gonna even do this much, but then we decided we might as well. It's just melting the snow off anyway. And the reason I mainly wanted done it in like this is because it was actually freezing up the door. Because it was already going underneath the shingles and back up and freezing it, coming out at the bottom of the eave there. So now the door won't freeze up anymore, at least.
Well,
so
yeah, now it has a trail for the water to go down.
And tomorrow we'll probably do more. But the ends, like that end and that end, I'm not too worried about the ends. It's just over the door. I'm worried about the ice sliding down and hurting somebody. So we want to melt those 2 chunks of ice right in the middle there. But anyway, guys, there's your update. Just thought I'd update you. It's about, I guess, altogether about an hour, eh, Curtis?
I'd say altogether, yeah.
Yeah, altogether we spent about an hour on it. Now, hot water works really good. It doesn't hurt the shingles at all. And it seems to be melting this really good. So the only thing that we did notice is that I got 2 little teeny holes in my eave trough. Right there.
Where the dirt's coming out.
So you can see, well, they can see where the water's coming out there.
Yeah, it must be the roofers.
Yeah, I think it's from the roofers. I think they either dropped the nail down there or somebody put their spike from their shoe on there or something.
But that explains the big pile of ice you had there.
Yeah, that explains the pile of ice. You can see there's a couple of holes there in the eave trough. You can see it pissing out those 2 holes. So definitely I'm going to have to patch up that part. But other than that, the roof looks good. And we're not hurting the roof at all with the water. You know, it's just water. So water's meant to go on roofs. So I figure hot water, why not? Doesn't hurt anything. So anyways, guys, we'll call this a video. And I'll talk to y'all later. So until we, in the front part of the house, I don't think I'm going to bother with.
Yeah,
because,
it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad in the front. It was the back here that had more. But my roof's good comparing to my neighbors. My neighbor has more ice than I did, if you
were
look.
like that, Dad, when we started.
Yeah, pretty much, I guess, about the same. But now I won't have to worry about it anymore. So hopefully this helps somebody out there, a nice easy idea on how to get rid of this. It takes time, but it's an easier way to wrecking your roof. So there you go, guys. We'll talk to you all later from DriveShaft Drew and Starpuss. So talk to you later. Bye.